then we are going to see a tortoise. His name is called Lonesome George. Let us know about him. He was born in the year 1910 and died in the year June 24, 2012. He was a male Pinta Island tortoise and the last known individual of the species. In his last year, he was known as the rarest creature in the world. George serves as an important symbol for conservation efforts in the Galapagos Islands and throughout the world. And one more thing, he has lived in his life as a bachelor. Explanation of the story: a tortoise superstar. How he got the name. The New York Times named this tortoise the world's most bachelor. This tortoise became a worldwide superstar. That is the story of Lonesome George, the most famous tortoise forever to hear us. Many animals like a species die out and became extinct when humans interfere in their habitat. The Pinta Island tortoise was believed to have been extinct in the early 20th century due to the exploitation by whales, hunters, and others for their meat. On top of that, the entire tortoise habitat was destroyed in the time period of 1950s when all it has been were introduced on Pinta Island, devastating the vegetation. But in 1971, a Hungarian biologist accidentally discovered our hero at Pinta Island. So he has found our hero of the character. In 1972, this rare creature who was taken to the Charles Darwin Foundation on Santa Cruz Island. The story of the tortoise that was the last of his subspecies became big around the world. American media called him as a name of Lonesome George after an American actor as a comedian, and the name stuck. It was believed that a female of the species would soon be found and brought to live with George. But no other Pinta Island tortoise was ever located in that place. He was shifted to his own coral area in 1992, where tourists and visitors observed him. In an attempt to save the Pinta tortoise from extinctions, biologists placed two female animals like a Colonidos becki, a species believed to be genetically closest to Conidius nigera abingdoni, in his nickname. It has been called with a Lonesome George. He was estimated to be over 80 at the time. Showed no desire to procreate with either of them. But after almost 16 years of waiting, the female tortoises laid eggs in 2008, but none resulted in offsprings. Rewards were offered to anyone who could find a suitable mate for the Pinta tortoise. All breeding attempts eventually failed. On 24th June 2012, members of the Galapagos National Park were shocked to find Lonesome George was died. Lonesome George was the rarest living creature according to the Guinness World Record book. In the death of this last Pinta Island tortoise, humans witnessed with the extinctions. He has since become a symbol of biodiversity conservation. Dear children, this is the beautiful creature ever we have listened. We have seen lot of different kind of a tortoise, but this is a beautiful and mesmerizable for us because still in his life he has lived like a bachelor, as well as he did not disturb anyone. He stayed his life with very and happy manner to in his till the end of his life. Finally, he was died in the 2012. It was too shocked with the people who are serving with him.